The bridal makeup business in Kenya is growing every year as more couples invest in beautiful weddings and professional beauty services. Every bride wants to look confident, elegant, and flawless on one of the most important days of her life. This creates a strong opportunity for skilled makeup artists who are ready to offer quality services. Starting a bridal makeup business does not always require a huge amount of money. With proper planning, training, good customer service, and consistent marketing, you can build a profitable business that serves brides across your county or even the entire country. The first step is to learn professional makeup skills. While some people are naturally talented, bridal makeup requires special techniques that are different from everyday makeup. You should understand different skin tones, face shapes, lighting, photography, makeup, color matching, and long-lasting makeup application. Consider enrolling in a reputable beauty school or taking professional makeup courses. Practice regularly on family members, friends, and volunteer models until your work becomes consistent and professional. Experience is one of your greatest assets. Brides trust makeup artists who have a portfolio of beautiful work. Before charging premium prices, build your experience by offering makeup services for graduation ceremonies, birthdays, engagement parties, church events, and small weddings. Take high-quality photographs of every client after receiving their permission. These images will become your portfolio and help convince future clients that you can deliver excellent results. Prepare a simple business plan before spending money. Decide who your target customers are. You may choose to serve budget-conscious brides, middle-income clients, or luxury weddings. Think about the services you will provide. Besides bridal makeup, you can also offer bridesmaid makeup, mother of the bride makeup, flower girl makeup, engagement makeup, traditional ceremony makeup, makeup lessons, and beauty consultations. Offering several services increases your income opportunities. One advantage of this business is that you can start from home or operate as a mobile makeup artist. Many brides prefer a makeup artist who comes to their home, hotel, or wedding venue early in the morning. This reduces the need to rent an expensive salon immediately. If you decide to work from home, ensure your workspace is clean, well-lit, organized, and comfortable for clients. The amount of money required depends on the quality of products and equipment you purchase. A beginner may start with between Kenya shillings 50,000 and Kenya shillings 150,000. This budget can cover quality foundations for different skin tones, concealers, powders, primers, setting sprays, lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, beauty sponges, sanitizing products, mirrors, lighting equipment, makeup organizers, and a professional makeup chair if possible. Buying quality products may cost more initially, but they produce better results and improve customer satisfaction. Always invest in genuine makeup products from trusted suppliers. Brides often wear makeup for many hours, sometimes from early morning until late at night. Poor quality products may melt, crack, or cause skin irritation. Long-lasting and skin-friendly products help maintain your reputation and reduce customer complaints. Replace expired makeup products regularly and keep all brushes and tools clean after every client to maintain proper hygiene. Business registration is another important step. Register your business through the appropriate government process if you intend to operate professionally. Depending on where you operate, you may also need county permits for your business premises. Operating legally increases customer confidence and makes it easier to work with hotels, wedding planners, and corporate organizations if your business expands. Choose a memorable business name that reflects beauty, elegance, or weddings. Design a simple logo and maintain consistent branding across your social media pages, business cards, invoices, and packaging. Professional branding makes even a small business appear trustworthy and established. Pricing your services correctly is essential. Avoid charging extremely low prices simply to attract customers. Low prices may make clients question your quality and can make it difficult to grow your business. Instead, calculate your expenses, including makeup products, transport, equipment maintenance, time, and taxes where applicable. A beginner bridal makeup artist may charge between Kenya shillings 5,000 and Kenya shillings 10,000 depending on experience, while highly experienced artists may charge much more for premium wedding packages. Your pricing should reflect the value you provide. Offer different packages to suit different budgets. For example, you may have a basic bridal makeup package, a standard package with a trial session, and a premium package that includes makeup for the bride, bridesmaids, and close family members. Some clients appreciate packages because they simplify budgeting. A bridal trial is one of the best ways to avoid disappointment on the wedding day. During the trial, discuss the bride's preferred makeup style, wedding colors, dress design, jewelry, hairstyle, and skin concerns. This allows you to test products, make adjustments, and ensure the bride feels confident before the actual wedding. Time management is critical in the wedding industry. Weddings follow strict schedules, and delays can affect photographers, transport, church services, and receptions. Always arrive early with all your equipment packed and organized. Carry backup products, additional brushes, extra beauty sponges, tissues, cotton pads, extension cables, portable lights, and emergency repair items. Marketing is one of the biggest factors that determines success. Most brides begin searching online for makeup artists long before their wedding date. Create professional pages on social media platforms where you regularly post before and after photos, short videos, bridal transformations, customer reviews, and behind-the-scenes content. Consistent posting helps people remember your business. Photography is extremely important in this industry. Every successful makeup artist invests in good lighting and high-quality photographs. If possible, work with professional photographers during weddings, so you can receive beautiful images for your portfolio. Clear and attractive photographs often bring in more clients than expensive advertisements. Customer reviews are powerful marketing tools. Encourage satisfied brides to leave honest reviews and recommend your services to friends and relatives. Word-of-mouth referrals remain one of the strongest sources of new bridal clients in Kenya, because weddings involve many people who can see your work. Build relationships with wedding planners, photographers, hairstylists, fashion designers, florists, decorators, event venues, and wedding photographers. These professionals frequently receive requests from brides looking for trusted makeup artists. Strong partnerships can provide a steady flow of referrals throughout the year. Communication also matters. Respond to customer messages politely and quickly. Answer questions clearly about prices, availability, deposits, travel costs, and cancellation policies. Professional communication creates confidence and increases booking rates. Request a booking deposit before reserving wedding dates. Wedding seasons can become very busy, and deposits help reduce last-minute cancellations. Provide simple written agreements that explain the services included, payment schedule, arrival time, travel arrangements, and cancellation terms. Clear communication protects both you and your clients. Keep learning because beauty trends change regularly. New makeup techniques, products, and bridal styles appear every year. Attend beauty workshops, watch professional tutorials, practice new techniques, and invest in continuous learning. Clients appreciate makeup artists who stay updated with modern bridal trends while still creating timeless looks. Financial discipline is important for long-term success. Separate your personal money from your business income. Record every payment received and every expense made. Save part of your profits to replace products, upgrade equipment, expand your services, and prepare for slower seasons when weddings are fewer. Excellent customer service will make your business stand out more than expensive products alone. Be friendly, calm, patient, and respectful. Weddings can be emotional and stressful, so your positive attitude can help brides relax. Many successful makeup artists receive repeat business because clients remember how they were treated, not just how they looked. As your business grows, you can expand by hiring assistants, opening a beauty studio, selling makeup products, offering makeup training, or providing complete bridal beauty packages. Some makeup artists eventually work with celebrities, fashion shows, television productions, and international destination weddings. Starting a bridal makeup business in Kenya requires dedication, creativity, patience, and professionalism. Success does not happen overnight, but every satisfied bride becomes a walking advertisement for your business. By mastering your skills, investing in quality products, delivering outstanding customer service, and marketing consistently, you can build a respected bridal makeup brand that generates a reliable income for many years.